Well, the time has officially come to drop the engine and trans in the Cutlass. So I will go ahead and do that and update as I go. Okay, here it is, all installed. I bolted up everything to motor mounts. Pretty close fit to the firewall, but still room to move there, but got it all in. It took a lot longer than I thought it would. I actually had to reset these motor mounts from the standard, which would have been like right there, and move it over. Then I actually had to drill the bottom one because this is an older frame, didn't have that hole, so had to take the engine and transmission back out, drill that, move those mounts over, and put it back in, and put the engine back in again, but it is all done. Yeah, just another small update, and I will show some more videos here. So I'm just tired, so I'm gonna call it a day. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll catch you guys later.